friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am in Kanha, which is in Madhya Pradesh. We are staying Kanha Jungle Lodge. It is very beautiful and a calm property. We can see here butterfly, insects, birds, scorpions, so many things we can explore. So let's start. Hey guys, we're gonna make pineapple upside down. So the ingredients are 4 eggs, 200 grams butter and 150 grams sugar. Whoa. So it's done. Looking creamy, right? And yummy. So we are putting 150 gram maida. I just want to like hum. It's like half teaspoon of baking powder. We are putting cashew 5 to 10 pieces.
थोड़ा बहुत चाहिए
Apples. Again I'm putting pineapples. I just wanted to like hum mama. So it will take 20 minutes. Oh. Please, done. Can you guess what it is? Millipede. It has millions of legs, so we can say it millipede. We can explore many millipedes in this property, Kanha Jungle Lodge property. And if you touch it, it just like a scroll, like it becomes a circle. So we are whipping the cream. It is whipped cream. After whipping, we will put it in freezer for 2 hours. Yeah! And put it here. Okay. I'm spreading whipped cream on my cake. Now my pineapple upside down cake is ready.